Hey guys, Manic Depressive Joker here. I made a horrible mistake and accidentally closed out of the recording. Whoops. Um, basically, long story short, I'm waiting for these things right here to grow. And meanwhile, I'm just kind of vacuuming up slimes. I'm just kind of exterminating the slimes. That pink slime just committed suicide. Wow. Yeah. Centaur did show up earlier, so that was cool, I guess. Shush. But, yeah, I just gotta wait for these to grow. Um, Yippee. Yeah, so this is the, did I show you guys this? This is the tabby gordo, he only eats meat. While, the other pink one over, like, there somewhere. Over there. He'll eat anything, he's like the big version of the pink slimes. So. Shush! All you friggin' weedy bits. Where'd he go? What? Shush. Unless you want to get thrown into the ocean as well. Shush. But yeah. Since this is wild, I can't get upgrades on it. So yeah. Now we just kind of stare into the ocean until this happens. But yeah. Shush. Okay. I'm gonna try not to mess up again. I will see you guys in a second. Hello. Is this working? Okay. I just wanted to make sure that it was the same buttons for pausing the recording as it is for recording or resuming it. Yeah. So, if you guys want to, you can pause that and check it out. No progress on this. Stop. Get out of here. Hey, stony chick. Come here. Okay. Shoo! Yeah. Okay. I will be back when these are grown. Later. Hey guys. I just wanted... Why? I wanted to show you that special slime. It was called the Lucky Slime. And if you feed it enough, it'll give you a bunch of Nubucks. But of course, that didn't happen. So yeah, I've just kind of been running around exterminating everything on this little part of the island. Shush! Sounds like someone's bad impression of it. But, yeah. Not really much to say. Is there something up there? Is that what's bugging me? Stop. But, yeah, I guess I'll get back to you either when I see something interesting or when these grow. Hey guys, so after waiting for forever, I decided that since I'm staring at these things, they're not gonna grow. So I'm gonna run on back and then hope that little buzzards haven't eaten them by the time I get back. So yeah. Oh, that is a gold slime. That is a gold slime. Feed it. Feed it. Oh my. Oh, these things give a crap ton of Nubucks. Not like the Lucky Slimes do. They give you a very special plort that, yeah. When you put it into the, plort collector, then... or the plort machine, then, it spits out a crap ton, like 300 minimum. So, yeah, this probably ain't gonna happen. I'm sorry, Dora. Yeah, so this is the range exchange. Basically, if I put these items in, then I get those items. But I can't get those items. Be gone. Be gone, foul demons. So, yeah. I'm gonna shoot. Come here. Come here. There's one more. One more, you. Come here. Wee. But, yeah, there's not really much to say. That's so weird. Like, all these different slimes. Oh, I should have put the stony chicks in the, should have put the stony chicks in the, what was it, the coop. Yeah, of course these aren't grown. Should I kill everything? I'm thinking, like, I'm debating whether or not I should kill everything in this area again. Nah, I'll leave it be. It's like 3:30 in the morning. Yeah, so. The little wackadoodle just committed suicide. Oh, yep, there it goes. Okay. Oh, also down here, there is, ta-da, a phosphor gordo. And the treasure pod. I can't get those yet, unfortunately. But, yeah, he only eats fruit, and then also since he's in here, he won't die by sunlight. So, yeah. They're almost, like, within eye shot of each other. Oh, gosh. Oh, these are the rocky guys? Oh, I think so. Yep. Goodbye. Goodbye. Nope. I say no. Nah, so I am gonna take all these chickens. I think, like, the first time I was here, like, I went across this bridge. So, yeah. What's up here, anyways? Oh, yeah, it's up here. If those are grown, I'm gonna scream. But, yeah. So. Dang. Now what do I do? I guess I'm gonna run back. Gosh dang. Oh, what was that? Something just. There was like a big thing. Oh, maybe it was like a normal slime eating a plart. Oh, that is tar. That is. See, those are tar. That is the sign to get out of here. I don't have any sprint. No. Yes, slimes, little buzzards. Distract them while I get away. Oh dear. Here, have a bunch of these little stinkers. Yeah, see, there's already a stony hen. Actually, there's. Oh, wait, nope. Oh, hey, I got the achievement up all night. Believe it. I like to party. Oh, what is wrong with me? Okay, I'm gonna feed you before you go absolutely insane. Oh, wait, before I do that, I'm gonna vac up all these. So that way they're not having trouble with, them in my inventory. Okay, here. Knock stuff up. Hang on. Alright, yeah. Nice, okay. 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 So I need to get a corral here. Oh crap, I'm nearly out of time. Okay. Alright guys, this has been, Manic Depressive Joker. Bye.